In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make Disney TikTok trend. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying. To do this, we open our browser and type Bing Image Creator into the search bar. Then, we go to Bing's website. Here, what we need to do is write the photo we want to create as a Disney PIXAR character in detail in the text field. After doing this, we must add they are Disney PIXAR 3D animated characters to the end. After doing this, we click Create. After waiting for a bit, we will get a result that is close to what we wrote. Here, you can try to get the best results by trying. After providing details correctly, the result turns out quite nice. We click on the image we wanna download and then click on the three dots. After doing this, we click Download. Now we can edit these photos with a template. To do this, we open TikTok. Then, by clicking on Try this template from a video of someone doing this trend, we open CapCut. You can also use this template from the description if you want. To use this template, we need the CapCut application. We click on Use Template in CapCut and continue. Then click on Use Template. Now, what we need to do is select the real photos and the AI generated ones. I can say that I am generally satisfied with the results I got. As I mentioned, you can get better results by trying. After selecting the photos, you can save the video by clicking Export and share it on TikTok. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was useful for you. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.